If you were to race any wild animal on the African savanna 50,000 years ago, you would lose horribly. Humans are embarrassingly slow, we have no sharp claws, no massive teeth, and our night vision is absolutely pathetic. To any giant predator looking for an easy lunch, our ancient ancestors looked like a weak, defenseless walking buffet. Yet against all mathematical odds, those fragile cavemen didn't just survive. They possessed a hidden, biological superpower, so brutal and terrifying that no other animal could ever escape it. Our ancestors couldn't outrun a cheetah or a zebra in a short sprint, so they completely changed the rules. While every other mammal on Earth relies on thick fur and panting to cool down, humans evolved a weird mutation. We lost our body hair and developed millions of microscopic sweat glands all over our bare skin. This turned our ancestors into the ultimate, self-cooling biological radiators that could run under the blazing, hot sun. While animals had to stop in the shade to avoid overheating, humans could just keep going and going. This evolved a terrifying hunting strategy called persistence hunting, which is basically a real-life horror movie for animals. A small group of our ancestors would spot a massive, fast antelope and just start jogging directly toward it. The terrified animal would easily sprint away, leaving the slow humans far behind in the dust within seconds. But the humans wouldn't stop. They would just track the footprints and keep a steady, relentless jogging pace. 10 minutes later, the antelope would look back and see those same two-legged monsters emerging from the horizon. The hunt didn't take minutes. It took hours of non-stop, brutal tracking under the boiling midday sun. The antelope would sprint away again and again, but every time it tried to rest, the humans appeared. Because the animal couldn't sweat, its internal body temperature would slowly rise to dangerous, fatal limits. Eventually, after hours of running, the animal's brain would literally cook itself from the inside out, causing a total meltdown. The exhausted creature would just collapse to the ground, completely paralyzed by heat stroke without humans even touching it. This insane ability to run for hours is the exact reason why human society even exists today. To successfully track a dying animal across miles of open desert, our ancestors had to talk and cooperate perfectly. They had to read footprints, share water supplies, and read the subtle body language of the herd together. The relentless chase forced small families to join forces, forming the very first organized, strategic hunting tribes. We didn't build our modern world because we were smart. We built it because we were relentless, long-distance monsters. We eventually traded the hot savanna for comfortable office chairs, but that ancient running software never left your DNA. The strange, euphoric feeling called a runner's high is just a chemical reward your brain gives you for tracking prey. It is a direct evolutionary echo from a time when running meant your family wouldn't starve to death. We are the descendants of the ultimate endurance athletes, built to survive the hardest conditions through pure grit. If you want to discover more brutal secrets about the world, click on this next video. See you.